This is now, I think, a perfect opportunity for every resident, whether you're a student or just any everyday resident here in the city of Richmond, to download the COVID-Wise app if you haven't already. I've done it. Dr. Avula's done it. Everybody here has done it. We ask that you download that, whether it's in your app store, whether it's in, you own an iPhone or a Samsung, you name it, please download that app. And if you get a notification of exposure, then there are plenty of testing options for you in our community. This week, those testing options are Thursday, August 27th, we'll be at Tuckahoe Middle School from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. On Wednesday, there will be a community testing site at Broad Rock Community Center from 9 to 11 a.m. as well. And on Thursday, September 3rd, there will be another opportunity to test over at Tuckahoe Middle School from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Remember, these testing events are available to the broad public, regardless of your insurance status, your citizen status, your mobility, or geographic location. And if it would make you or your family more comfortable to know about your status, we ask that you attend one of these testing events in our community.
As we've started kind of publicly reporting on the new pandemic metric dashboard that the State Health Department has created, our central region continues to be in the status of a high burden of disease with fluctuating trends and therefore substantial community transmission. So the same place that we were in last week, we continue to see at different places in the region increasing trends of disease. Here in Richmond, we have had an increasing case rate for the past 10 days. Not significant spikes, but just a steady increase in that case rate. On the other side of that coin, we have seen decreases in percent positivity. So for the last 17 days, we've had steady decreases in the overall percentage of people who are tested that actually test positive. Our current 7-day rolling average for percent positivity is 3.8%. And then we've also seen an increase in the rate of outbreaks or clusters that we are investigating. We, on a daily basis, are responding to positive cases, and then if there are other contacts that are identified that test positive, we count that as a cluster investigation. This past week, our greatest number of clusters were seen in manufacturing settings, warehouses, restaurants, and bars. And so, along with the mayor, I'd continue to urge people to remember that COVID is still out there. We need to socially distance and wear our masks if we really are going to keep this at bay.